Welcome to watch Mirasys VMS standard course. This video shows how to set the motion detection sensitivity and quantity. Setting the motion detection sensitivity and the quantity. Go to the VMS Servers tab. Select Cameras. Select Camera from the list. Select Motion Detection tab. Enable Counter. The sensitivity slider is showing that pixels change more than the set limit. If there is a lot of background noise in the image, for example, changes in lighting conditions, decrease sensitivity. The quantity slider is showing that what is the total amount of changed pixels and has limit exceed. The default value is 5. The counter is showing that how many times the motion detection limit has to exceed. When there is no motion in the masked area, the counter value should not increase. When counter is enabled, the image shows the real-time view from the camera and motion in the picture are shown in red areas. Disable the counter when adjusting is done. Click OK to close camera settings and save changes. Thank you for watching this video. If you need any assistance with Mirasys VMS, please contact support@mirasys.com.